Welcome to the Vilros Hammer-In Header Pico Rig instructional video. Today, we'll show you step by step how to properly use the Hammer-In Header Pico Rig. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by removing the top bolts, top layer, middle bolts, and middle layer. Set them aside for now. Step 2. Now, take the Pico board and carefully insert it into the bottom metal layer. Ensure that the Pico board is completely seated and lies flat. Step 3. Place the middle metal layer on top of the Pico board. Secure it in place using 2 bolts. Step 4. Take 2 hammer-in headers, making sure the black plastic side is facing down, and insert them through the slots and into the holes on the Pico board. Step 5. Now, place the top metal layer on top of the pins and secure the top layer using 2 bolts. Step 6. This step is crucial. Take a hammer and firmly and repeatedly strike the top metal plate on all areas between the bolts. This will effectively hammer the pins into place. Step 7. To remove the Pico board, first, remove the top and middle layers. Then, place the middle layer pin side down on a flat surface and push downward to release the board. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to use the Hammer-In Header Pico Rig.